Hi Techies, welcome to Techie Tuber. So in this session, we're gonna learn about order clause, which is used to arrange some data in ascending or descending order. First, we're gonna print all the data from our customer table. So you can see the data. Let's suppose I want the name of employees arranged in descending order according to their salaries. So we'll be using order by clause. So I'll be writing select name from customers order by salary DESC. Here DESC defines descending order. I'm gonna hit the enter button and you can clearly see that Hardik's salary is the most and it will be arranged in descending order. So make it more precise. I'll be adding a comma and salary just after the name so that we can clearly see. So here you can compare easily 8500, 654522 and 1500. So this is how we're going to use the order by clause. What if we want to represent some data in ascending order? We'll use ASC. So here you can see its salary in increasing order. Likewise, we can display the name in ascending order of alphabets. Let's suppose name. I'm going to hit the enter button and you can see it will be arranged in alphabetical order. CHKKR. So that's all for the order clause. Thanks for watching.